If you're broke, it's not your fault. But if you stay broke, it is. You weren't born poor. You were trained to stay poor. You were trained to believe a job would save you, to believe debt is normal, to believe that wanting more makes you greedy. But let me tell you the truth. The system wasn't built to make you rich. It was built to keep you working until you die. Think about it, they gave you 12 years of school, but not one class on building wealth. Not one class on credit, taxes, assets, investing, or financial independence. Why? Because a financially educated person is a dangerous person. They can't be controlled. They don't need a boss. They don't need permission. Most people don't live their life, they survive it. You wake up to an alarm clock, rush to a job you don't love, to earn just enough to pay bills that keep coming every month. It's not life. It's a loop. You call it security, but it's really a slow trap. A paycheck is not freedom. It's permission to survive another month. You work 40 hours a week to pay for a house you barely see, a car you can't afford, and food you don't have time to enjoy. But you keep doing it. Why? Because you were trained to. You were never taught how money actually works. You were only taught how to earn it, not how to multiply it. Let's break the code. There are only two types of people when it comes to money. People who work for money, people who make money work for them. Most people stay stuck in the first group forever. Why? Because school never taught you about assets vs liability and interest, the power of passive income, and financial independence ought to leverage time, not just trade. Let me ask you this, why are lottery winners broke after 5 years? Because they got rich, but never got smart. The truth is, it's not how much you make. It's how much you keep, how you invest, and what you build. Here's a truth you'll never hear in school, the rich buy assets, the poor buy liabilities, and the middle class? They buy stuff that looks like assets, but drains their wealth. A car? Liability. A big house? Often a liability. A degree with no return? Massive liability. You were told to go to school, get a job, buy a house. But nobody told you that inflation would eat your salary or that taxes punish employees the most. Nobody told you the bank uses your money to make themselves rich. You save. They lend it and grow. You stay cautious. They take calculated risks and win. It's never been about working more. It's about working smarter. Want to be rich? Then follow this simple formula. Income, save, invest, multiply, reinvest, repeat. And while you're doing that, increase skills. Build multiple income streams. Buy cash flowing assets. Protect your time. There will come a day where you'll be 60, maybe 70, and you'll look back. And you'll realize that you gave your best years to someone else's dream. You traded your time for money you never got to enjoy. Don't let that be your story. You don't have to be born into wealth. You just have to stop thinking like the broke. Start small, read 10 pages of a finance book every day. Invest your first $10. Learn a high-income skill online. Cut out dumb expenses. Stop impressing people who don't care. It's not about becoming rich overnight. It's about changing your mindset forever. Because once your mind is rich, money follows. So now the truth is in front of you. You can scroll past this, or you can take the red pill and never see money the same way again. But here's the twist, everything I've said so far is just the beginning. There's one financial truth that separates the rich from everyone else, and they'll never teach it in school, media, or even most books. But I'll tell you in the next video. So subscribe, because what's coming next could change your life and your bank account forever.